Pete's Burgers, but with Spam. Let's try it. Oh. Mmm. Oh. The sweetness of the sauce is counteracting the saltiness of the Spam, which is good. It's a very thick piece of Spam. We know that Spam can be salty. That's why I chose the low sodium. Wow, I like the onions. Ooh, let's take another bite. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. Wow, it's really good. I really like it with the onions. Oh, this might be my favorite Spam sandwich. Let's take another bite, man. Wow. Mmm. Oh, that's delicious. I don't want to talk much about Pete's. There are tons of videos by tons of excellent YouTubers about Pete's Burgers. There are people reviewing it. There are people making it at home. It's really difficult to make it home because they've got all day to steep these onions in burger flavor. Let's put a little more of that sauce here. We'll dip it. Let's dip it. Oh. Wow. That is so good with the onions, man. Look at the onions. Oh. The sweetness in the sauce and the saltiness of the Spam is a beautiful thing. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Mmm. 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 Wow. Oh my gosh. That's really good. Oh.